It's happening. The question you've all been asking, the one that's a hot topic between creatives. This is creative block. And today I'm going to talk to you about what it is and also how to get over it. Hi guys, Ruben here, and I want to start off by saying I actually don't think creative block is a big deal. And I also don't entirely believe that creative block exists. We have good days and we have bad days. We have unproductive days and we have productive days. But in this creative world, we have this thing called creative block that gets in the way of us being productive. Sometimes I wonder whether we're labeling procrastination as creative block to avoid responsibility. See, part of this is understanding that creativity isn't this untamable force that we can't control. No, creativity is a muscle that needs exercise and development. See, what happens when we let creative block get in the way is we end up not getting the exercise our creativity needs, and therefore our creativity actually shrinks. I too have struggled with being unproductive and feeling a lack of creativity. Here are 3 things that I think you can do to break the creative block mindset. The first is this: carve out time to be creative. Sometimes we get caught in the task list or the workload and we actually forget to use our creative muscles. Find regular time, even if that's every day, to stretch your creativity. Allow yourself time to experiment and play with new ideas, but don't get caught up in the perfectionism. Give yourself maybe an hour, set yourself a time frame, and try to create within that limit. That's going to help you direct your focus and stay on track. I give myself an hour each morning to be creative, purely for the joy of creating. Why not do the same? The second thing is this: give yourself breaks. Like anything in life, you need to take breaks. Being creative is mentally tiring, and before you reach creative burnout, proactively plan breaks into your day. And the most important thing, stick to them. This gives your brain a rest, it switches your focus, and it prevents productivity from slowing. Let me ask you this: when was the last time you took a break? And the third thing is this: learn to multitask. Balance multiple projects at once, so when you feel yourself slowing up on one, you can switch to the other. Treat your work like a highway, not a one-way street. When you hit traffic, change gears, change lanes, and get past the thing that was holding you up. So remember these 3 things: carve out time to be creative, give yourself breaks, and learn to multitask. Be careful about how much you allow creative block to hold up your productivity. Remember that creative block only has a place if you give it one. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, let me know in the comments how you get over creative block, and I'll see you again soon.